After 17 years of trading, this is the one strategy I'd keep if I had to delete everything else. There's no indicators, there's no noise, it's just pure price. And I'm going to show you how simple and how profitable it really is. So all you need for this strategy is the daily chart. That's it. It's the only time frame, and be able to pinpoint structure and therefore trend. Okay, and you need a ruler, and I'll explain why. That's for our entries, and it's as simple as that, guys. And we're going to look at pound US dollar. Now, I haven't cherry picked this section of chart. This is current price. This is exactly where we are right now. Okay, so we're going to look at how simple and how profitable this strategy really is. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start over here when we get a break of that high, because that's when this becomes an uptrend. And all we're going to do is pinpoint swing points, right? Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, right? This low breaks, we break that low, right? We're now in a downtrend, high, low, right? And then we break up again, we're back into an uptrend, okay? And then price comes down and we end up back in a downtrend, okay? So you can see, guys, I haven't cherry picked a super easy trending piece of chart. This is just price, and this is exactly where it is. But that's what you need to be able to do. Pinpoint the swing points. And this is the swing points for pound US dollar. All right, and by identifying those, that will also tell you trend. Now, we're going to look at every one of these swing points, okay, and how we can trade them. So let's start over here when we get this structure break, right? So at this point, we then have a high and a low, and we're in an uptrend. Now, this is where you need your ruler. But before we get to the ruler, the last high in an uptrend is going to be your take profit every time, right? Like I say, it's super simple. So all these highs, if we have a trade, will be your take profits, okay? And for your stop loss, we are going to put it below. So there's the swing low. We're going to put it a little bit below the swing low. So there will be your stop loss. Okay. So if you have a trade, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, etc. Okay. It's that simple. Now, this is the entry. Okay. So we've come down, we push back up. This is the last high. Right, this is the last low, and we're having a bit of a retrace. Now, what constitutes an entry is this. So basically, all you do is get the ruler. You can use it here on TradingView, but I'm sure whatever platform you use has a ruler. And then you go to the last highs, so you can see I'm hovering at that last high, right there. And then we're going to drag it down to our stop loss, which will be a little bit below those lows. Okay. Now, before every trade, before it even happens, we know where our stop loss is and we know our target back at these highs. Now, all we need is a pullback to the midway point. So this is the 50% level. If we get this and we get to that level, we can then buy in an uptrend. Okay. We put our stop loss here, take profit right there. Okay, and so you can see, guys, we basically get a 1:1 risk to reward. Okay, so everything about this strategy is simple. Okay, and that's it. So as you can see, the first time we have this structure break, we don't get a trade. It doesn't pull back far enough. And we need that pullback because that gives us our minimum risk to reward of 1:1. We don't get it. Right, so let's carry on with this uptrend. Let's look at the next swing high up to here, right? This level here, and we start to get a pullback. Now we know our stop loss is going to go a little bit below that, right? We get our ruler out. There's our target. There's our stop loss. Again, the pullback doesn't quite reach that 50% level, so no trade. Right, you get the idea, guys, right? It's as simple as that. So let's go and complete this entire piece of chart doing that. So we're going to go to the next high, which is up here, right? And we're going to drag it down to the last low, right? So let me just pinpoint those for you. Last high up here, last low, our stop loss is here, our take profit is there. You can see we clearly pull back to the 50% level, right? 1:1, and we hit target. Okay, so we've made, if you risk 1%, you've made 1%. If you risk 3%, you've made 3%. Okay, now there are some things we can talk about in terms of letting some profit run, but let's not do that in this video. Let's just focus on the simplicity of this strategy. So we are +1, okay, for this system. Let's go to the next swings. Okay, so swing low, swing high. Okay, take profit, stop loss below here. Okay, get the ruler out. Okay, you can clearly see price pulls back to the 50, comes up and hits target. Okay, so we are +1. So we're +2 so far with this strategy. Now, this is interesting, guys, and important to point out that did break those highs. So this is the last swing high, that's the last swing low. So again, there's your TP, we're in an uptrend, there's your TP, stop loss a little bit below. Okay, so let's do that one again, guys. Right, there's your TP, those highs, and there's your stop loss below those lows. Okay. Now you can see it pulls back to the 50, but this time it carries on down. And whether it stops us out there or not, maybe not, but it definitely stops us out here. Okay, so this is a losing trade in that uptrend. All right, but we're still +1. Now at this point, because this candle breaks these lows, we're actually in a downtrend. So now we're looking for sells, right? There's the swing low, swing high, right, and we're looking for, there's your stop loss and there's your take profit, right? So we had a break of structure, we're going to put our stop loss above here and we're going to take it back down to these lows, right? So just to clarify, it became a downtrend, there's our low, there's our last high. So there's our stop loss, there's now our take profit in a downtrend. You can see price pulls back to our 50% level and bang, it comes down, right? So we lost one here and we gained one here, okay? So we're still +2 for this strategy. Let's carry on this downtrend because we have another losing trade here. Again, I'm not cherry picking it, guys. I'm just showing you the strategy. So in this downtrend, just quickly, here we are, right? Swing high, swing low. There's your stop loss above that. There's your take profit. Now, clearly, it pulls back to our 50% level, right? Clearly doesn't come back down, and instead we get stopped out. Okay, so at this point, we are +1 for this strategy. Now, this big move up is interesting because we have this big move up, and now clearly we're in an uptrend, right? But this is still the last swing low, and that is the swing high. Now, if I do the 50% ruler, right, up to that level, right, because that's going to be our target, you can see before we get to that 50% mark, we actually have a breakdown in daily structure. So we would not be interested in that buy trade because structure has changed in here. Okay, but what we are interested in now is this downtrend. Okay, so if we just follow this downtrend down, this is where we're at, right? This is your last swing higher low, higher high, and this is your last lower low. So we're going to put our stop loss a bit above there. We're going to make this our target back to those lows. As you can see, we get the pullback to the 50, stop loss doesn't get hit, and then price comes crashing back down. Okay, so at this point we are +2. Okay, in terms of trades. Again, whatever you risk will determine that. If it's 1%, you're +2%. If it's 3%, you are +6%. Okay, so another positive trade. Then we want to know the next swing point. So we have this downtrend. There's the last high now, and it pulls back to these lows. Right, you can clearly see if we get our 50% ruler out now, stop loss here, that will be our take profit. You can see price doesn't quite get to our 50% level, so no trade. Okay, let's carry it on. Okay, but that does become, in this downtrend, that does become our next higher low. Right, price comes down all the way down to this low here, and there's our trading range again. Remember, stop loss is up here, that's your TP. Draw the ruler, stop loss, TP, okay, and then you can clearly see this time we get the pullback, we can enter, price comes down, we get our 1:1, okay. So we've had another winning trade here, right, no trade here, another winning trade here. So we're +3 for this system so far. And then we're actually in a live trade now. Okay, so as you can see, right, if we just follow it from this last high to this last low, okay, we come back down, we're getting lower lows. So this is our new low. Okay, we get our ruler out. Remember, we want to put our stop loss a bit above that high. We want to take price back down to those lows. You can clearly see price has pulled back to the 50% level, stop loss up here, take profit here. All right, so we're currently in a live trade. But until that point, we are +3 with pound US dollar. Now, if this plays out, we are +4. Now, this is the daily chart, and this is only pound US dollar. So I look at 28 currency pairs. So you can imagine I'm getting a setup with this strategy pretty much every day. Okay, if you only trade one currency pair, obviously you'll be limited with the amount of trades you can have. So please bear that in mind. But what I am showing you guys is a simple and profitable strategy. And we like it because you're using daily trend, which is so reliable. And you're using a very simple entry mechanism, and you already know your stop loss and take profit before you enter the trade. So you could even just set up buy and sell orders, right? As price comes down here, okay, and we've got our 50% level. Okay, let's just map that out for you one more time. Right, there's our target. You can just, instead of sitting in front of your screen all day, you could just enter a sell trade here, right? A sell order, a sell limit, okay? And just walk away, just set it up for the day, put your stop loss up here, put your take profit here, walk away for the day. It'll either take your sell trade or it won't, and you will or won't have a trade, right? So you can make it even simpler in terms of the entry. And what this does, guys, it creates a planned, methodical trader. It's very systematic and simple to follow. And also, guys, there is we can talk about letting some profit run with the winning trades, also trade management, but we'll cover those in another vid, so please stay tuned for those as well. And if you enjoyed this strategy, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button. I'll see you next time.